Dino-Thanksgiving. In autumn, there's a thankful mood, a holiday that's filled with food. All the dinos jump and squeal, Thanksgiving! It's their favorite meal. Thanksgiving is here. Every dino airport slammed, every road and highway jammed. No matter where each dino roams, today there's no place like home. Dinosaurs visit family. T-Rex wakes at the crack of dawn. It's time to put the turkey on. He takes the bird out of the brine, seasons it with sage and thyme. Dinosaur cook turkey. Although it won't be done till 5, by noon his guests will all arrive. Compy eyes the roasting meat.
I'm hungry. Is it time to eat?
He is hungry. The TV's on at true dawns. They watch as dinos twirl batons. The gleaming floats are all displayed. It's the Dino-Thanksgiving parade. Balloons go by as Min-Me cheers. She went to see it live this year. As drummers drum and trumpets blare, a giant turkey floats in air. Dinosaurs watch parade. Tricera sautés greens with ease using Grandma's recipes. He mixes nuts into a bowl for sweet potato casserole. Dinosaurs cook dinner. The broccoli's chopped, the salad's tossed. He's boiling up cranberry sauce. There's corn and beans and fruit galore. No turkey for this veggie sore. Some dinos leave their neighborhoods, go over the rivers and through the woods. Allo follows Stego's gaze. Let's get lost inside a maze. Dinosaurs go outside. The dinosaurs decide to race. Between the rows, Lizzo gives chase. Compy's time cannot be beat.
I'm hungry. Is it time to eat?
He is hungry. As crawling babies scatter toys, the football game is background noise. The Terrors watch, it's twin and twin. Both brothers hope the Red Scales win. Dinosaurs watch football. Next door, amidst the pots and pans, the house is full of snacker fans. As football lovers cheer and shout, Dino kids run in and out. They feel excited. Out back, little cousins play ping pong, tag, and lawn croquet. Raptor helps them fly a kite. They're building up an appetite. The children won't be underfoot, although their kite has gone kaput. Dinosaurs play outside. Compy rolls up on the street.
I'm hungry. Is it time to eat?
He is hungry. Inside, dinner cooks and steams. Outside, dinos pick their teams. Flag football is an old tradition. It keeps rowdies from the kitchen. Dinosaurs play football. Playing is a lot of fun. Watch the dinos pass and run. No time to find out which team won. This is fun. Come and get it. Come inside. Dinner's done. Let's eat dinner. Compy is the first one in. He wipes the drool off of his chin. There's turkey, stuffing, pie, and more. Lots of food. They all share what they're thankful for. Football, friends, a winning team, mom and dad, my twin, ice cream. Let's give thanks. Over at Tricera's place, smiles appear on every face. Each one brought a dish to share, fruit and veggies everywhere. They share food. They all join hands from large to least. They're truly thankful for this feast. Then uncles boast and aunties chatter, pets upset the turkey platter. That chair doesn't look too stable. Food fights at the kitty table. Old stories told, some dinos weep, then Gram and Grandpa fall asleep. Table is messy. When each scrumptious dish is passed and the meal is done at last, some dinos sit and sip a cup while others start the washing up. Dinosaurs clean dishes. Then all the dinos come together in crisp and chilly autumn weather. They walk to calm their tummies down to a bonfire at the edge of town. Dinosaurs make fire. They played, they laughed, they worked, they ate. All agree this day was great. They had fun. They look ahead to warmer days when Dino Easter is on its way. Dinosaurs wait for Easter.